Oakwood Interiors Executive Desk Installation Instructions. The tools you'll need is just a Phillips screwdriver. Separate all the screws. Align the right and center and left side close together. Remove the top left drawer. Align the left and center sections and screw the top screw using a 1.5 inch screw. Then align the right with the center section and screw the top screw in. There are a total of 3 screws per side and finish screwing in the other 2. In the center box area, there are 2 screws on each side. You can screw those in. Move the cords and the power bar into the center box area and screw into the top screw holes. Make sure all the screws are tight. Level all the sections with the adjustable feet. Now take the top of the desk and place it onto the 3 sections. The 2 big round holes go to the back. Align the screw holes with the bottom section screw brackets. Caution, only use 1 inch screws to screw the top to the bottom. The screw brackets will move a little bit to help you align the screw holes. Screw the outside first, all the way around the outside. Then the inside center section, screw those on. Take the top of the drawer out of the right side. And use 1.25 inch screws to screw the inside wall to the top of the desk. Take the keyboard drawer and push it into the top guides in the center. Finally, put the glass onto the top of the desk, and you are done.